How to lock and unlock keyboard on Windows 11. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, I will guide you how you can lock and unlock your keyboard on Windows 11. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So first of all, in order to lock your keyboard, if you open up your notepad, so as you can see, my keyboard is working currently. Now to unlock your keyboard, all you have to do is navigate to the shift key on your keyboard on your right hand side, just below that enter key. So keep on pressing the shift key for at least 10 seconds until you hear a beep sound. So once you hear the beep sound, you will see this pop-up in your interface that says filter key. So to lock your keyboard, you have to turn on the filter key here, click on yes. Now with that, your keyboard is locked. If you try to type in through your keyboard, it will not work since it is locked. Now, if you want to unlock your keyboard again, repeat the same step. You have to press the shift key on your right hand side on your keyboard and press it and hold it for at least 10 seconds until you hear the beep sound, and after you hear the beep sound, the keyboard will be unlocked. So once you hear the beep sound, if you try to type in your keyboard, now your keyboard is unlocked, and that's it. That's how you can lock and unlock keyboard in your Windows 11. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.